My name's Marie. I am a nursing student at Dalhousie. I worked a summer job in my hometown with some amazing nurses there, and there was one in particular who opened my eyes to what the healthcare system really looked like and shifted my entire perspective on what I wanted to do, basically. My medical science degree prepared me really well for nursing, so I didn't feel like I'd wasted any time. I also think that any education is never a waste of time. The transition for me, I found, was very seamless, and once I was in and started, it was great. Literally first day of nursing, everybody actually wants to help each other. You could feel it right away. No one's competing with you. You're all in the same boat. Everyone wants everyone else to succeed. We all want to get to the end, to get to the healthcare system to help people. It's made the biggest difference in enjoying my classes. You learn the most at the bedside and from preceptorship, which is when you're one-on-one with a nurse who works on that floor. I think I learned more in my 4 weeks with my preceptor than all of my other previous group placements, because you're doing your routine like you would when you're actually working as a nurse. There are so many different things you can do with a nursing degree now. I feel so good knowing that I can go and help and try and make a difference. Anytime someone tells me, I'm thinking about going into nursing, do you like it? I'm like, I love it, best decision I've ever made in my life. I would recommend it to anybody. You'll love this job. You'll love this program. It's amazing. You'll make friends that you'll have for the rest of your life. I literally could not recommend it enough.